Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Ford transponder key. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we are currently working on a 2024 Transit. The 2020 Transit, as you can see, has the new style flip key. There you go. And this is the key we're actually using. The customer had a working key, so we're copying it, and the machine will add the new key to the system. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes to do, sometimes sooner depending on the machine that you're going to use. But that's pretty much it. So right now, on the add key procedure, the machine is reading the data from the car's ECU, and then it's going to clone the chip and allow us to start the vehicle. And that's pretty much the end of it. We got about another 7 to 8 minutes left, I think, the way this is going, and we'll be all done. Again, it's a 2020 Ford Transit, the new style flip keys. Thanks for watching.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.